Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the
Drywall.
Drywall. So today we're in a project that we've been working at for a couple of months now, and we're out in Scenic Springs area, which is north of San Antonio, and we're going to walk you through all the things that we've been doing. We're probably going to wrap this up in about a month.
About a month.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So there's a bug, but that's what happens when you're on a job site.
So actually where we're at now is the master closet, and the clients wanted to have built-ins. So we just started on this yesterday. All the built-ins here by California Closets.
Yes, you guys.
They rock. And so this will probably be about another 2 or 3 days till it's to completion.
Yeah.
We also ended up replacing the lighting to put in more energy efficient LED lighting as well. So that's what's going on here in the closet. A couple of days will be done in here.
And we did before we had to prep it all and then do the flooring, which runs right into the bathroom. It's all covered up, so you can kind of see a little bit of it, but it's wood tile. And it's running, usually we suggest whatever flooring you're going to have in your bathroom, you might as well run it into your closet, into your bedroom if possible, just to kind of make it seamless.
Yep.
Unless, of course, you have like wood flooring in your bedroom, then maybe not in the bathroom.
No.
That's why we have wood looking tiles.
That's right. So then what we're going to do now is we're going to walk through to the other section of the house where we've got a few different things going on. We have flooring going on throughout the main part of the house, but then we also took a powder bath and basically expanded it and turned it into a pool bath for the pool that's being built on the outside.
Yeah, we did some exterior work. So, I don't know if we'll get to that today,
but go ahead and follow us in here.
And we did all the baseboards and
base and shoe mold, and actually the floor was a stained concrete originally, so we actually had to sand it all down and get all that stain off of the floor in order for the new tile to adhere to it. So in here there's an office, all the casings. Actually, there's some built-ins we did in here, but we'll just leave that closed. Yeah.
Private.
So here we're coming to the main area where we're putting in our tile floor. And
so the tile are large format tiles. So what that means is,
they're big.
They're big, and they take a lot of extra time and care versus, say, like a 12 by 24 tile that you're going to put in. So you'll see they're putting it in. Now we took out, or like Mike said, sanded down a floor that was stained concrete, but they like that industrial look. So we found this really cool industrial tile. So let's take a look at that.
Let me get a piece.
Some iridescent colors on it, so you can see we're in the middle of it, but we've got a whole lot more to cover. But it brings out, there's some metallics, some golds in it, some silvers in it, and when the light hits it in different areas, it just kind of,
it's a really neat tile.
And it's super cool looking. And we need to clean this up.
Yeah, after we're done.
You will see that later.
In another episode.
Yeah.
But then we also ended up refinishing the cabinets, adding some cabinets. We redid outside the bar as well. So there's other stuff that has transpired here.
Oh, I know, the vent hood.
Yeah, the vent hood we raised up and built a new cabinet above it because the owner's not as vertically challenged as we are. So we needed it to be a bit higher.
He's very tall, so when he was cooking, the way the house was built originally, he would literally bump his head into the vent hood. So we raised it, built a cabinet to match, refinished everything, and we can't even...
So now we're going to go to the bathroom. Over here, follow us this way. And in here, I will show you what happened, which is...
This was a small half bath, a powder room before. So it stopped
right here.
Right here. And then when you go this door was there before. We
But it was
removed
right here.
it, put it back in, but all of this was redesigned and reframed so that they could have a shower accessible
From the pool.
from the new pool that's going in.
So we basically just moved the wall, built it out here, closed this off, and made a shower. And now the patio on the outside is also extended to go to the pool.
So there's a whole lot going on. We still have some grouting to do. We've got the glass that's going in, a floating vanity, so that'll be off the floor. That tile you just saw, that's going to run all the way into here, and then it'll all go together. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed this episode of Behind the Drywall. There's a lot going on in this house, a lot of moving parts. Sometimes when we're doing a remodel, it's not always like just a kitchen or just the whole house. Sometimes we're doing this part of the house and an expansion over here and some things around. So we can do those types of projects as well if that's what you're looking for. So anyway.
Thanks. There you go. Thanks for joining us. Hopefully you got a little sneak peek, and then next time we're here, it'll be probably pretty much done. So you'll get to see the finished project.
Yeah. So we'll see you next time on Behind the Drywall.
Thanks.
Bye.